So let's look at common logarithms. And if you haven't reviewed or if you're not confident with your exponent rules, you might want to take a look at those first. So today what we're going to look at is we're looking at common logarithms. And common logarithms have a base of 10. And when we have a base of 10, it's nice and easy. And unless we're told otherwise, we're going to assume that it's base 10. So here I have a question. I say, okay, what is the log of 10 cubed? Don't go converting that to 1,000. You're making life hard. Okay? The answer here is simply 3. When you have it written in the exponent form, there's your answer. It's really that simple. Okay? When it's written in exponent form, okay, and it's base 10 of common logarithms, the exponent is your answer. So I'm just going through some real easy ones here. You don't need to go converting these into, decimals and all that kind of stuff. 10 to the power of 1.7. I don't know what 10 to the 1.7 is, but I know that the logarithm of 10 to the 1.7 is simply 1.7. Like, how easy is this? Okay, 10 to the power of negative 3.6, don't know, but the log of it is negative 3.6. Now, I don't have it written as an exponent, but what is 10? Well, 10 is 10 to the first exponent. So the log of 10 is the same thing as saying the log of 10 to the power of 1, which is simply 1. What have I got here? I got 10 million. Okay, well, 10 million is the same thing as saying 10. And for numbers that are written like this, scientific notation is wonderful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 10 to the 7. Simply a 7. This one here would be the log. Okay, how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. That's a negative 3. 10 to the negative 3. Okay, so I'm just writing these numbers in scientific notation, and away we go. Okay, so the log of 10 to the power of negative 3 is simply negative 3. Let's do another one. Log to the power, what's log of 1? Tricky. Okay, well, let's see. What is this? I don't have it written as a 10. But what we need to remember is any of these, when we've got a log of 1, okay, and it really doesn't matter the base, but when you've got a log of 1, the answer is 0. Just double checking things here. That is 0. That's kind of like a definition. You kind of memorize that one. Okay. So memorize that one. Now, let's say you've got a number like 26980. Okay. I can get an estimation. By writing this in scientific notation. So if I can write that as 2.6980 times 10 to the power of 4, scientific notation. I'll just write that down. Scientific notation. Okay, I'm going to tell you that the log of this number, so the log of 26980 is around 4. Okay, it's around 4. And we can get a little bit more accurate with that. Now, when I was in high school, we had a table, kind of like you got the periodic table. We had a log table. And we would look these numbers up and get an actual number. Obviously, today you've got a calculator that'll do it. But it's going to come out to be a little bit more than 4 because 10,000 is, the log of 10,000 would be 4. So this is a little bit more than that. Okay.